Hi there, students. To throw a game, to throw a match, to throw a fight, this means to deliberately lose. This is related to match fixing. So some gamblers paid him to throw the fight. Because if you know who's going to win a fight or who's going to lose a fight, a boxing match, then you can bet on the other person and you can make a lot of money. The bookies paid them a huge amount of money to throw the game, okay, to lose the game on purpose. And like that, they could put odds that they knew they were going to make money. Maybe you could throw a match or throw a game if you wanted the other person to gain confidence. And if they beat you, then that would make them feel much more confident. Okay? But we have this phrase to throw a match, to throw a game, to throw a fight. I have a feeling it's linked to the idea of to throw in the towel. This is what the trainer of a boxer does when he sees that his boxer is going to lose and he doesn't want him to take any more punishment. He throws in the towel. Okay? Now, let's see. To throw a match, this is informal English. This is the sort of thing you would definitely use in an informal conversation. I think in a formal setting you would use the phrase, for example, to deliberately lose, to lose on purpose. Okay, so you need to use it in an informal setting. Also, it's important to remember that to throw is an irregular verb. Throw, threw, thrown. And then I'm wondering what other things you could throw. Well, you could throw a fit, get really angry, or throw a party, have a party, throw down the gauntlet. Can you think of any more phrases with throw like that? Okay, so to throw a match, to throw a game, to throw a competition, to deliberately lose, and this is related to match fixing and normally gambling. Okay, and remember it's informal. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To throw a match, to throw a game, to throw a fight.